Hello everyone. So today we have 4 to the power of a times 4 to the power of a equals to 64, and a is the unknown. So we're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. Our equation 4 to the power of a times 4 to the power of a is equals to 64. But from a to the power of n times a to the power of m, which is represented as a to the power of n plus m. That is, when the bases are the same, we can add the powers, provided the operation is multiplication. So that is in the form of this. So we can write 4 to the power of a plus a, which is equal to 64. And we are fine. So the next line becomes 4 to the power of a plus a, that is 2a, equals to 64. But 64 can be written as 4 to the power of 3. So we're going to replace it here. So the next line becomes 4 to the power of 2a is equals to 4 to the power of 3. Thank you for staying tuned. Please click on the subscription button to support us, to subscribe to this channel, and also turn up your notification button. Give us a like on this video and leave a comment. Thank you. Alright, let's continue. Recall that a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m. When the bases are equal, we can equate the power here, n is equals to m. This is in the form of this law, so we can write 2a to be equals to 3 because they are having the same base of 4. So if we do this very well, we can divide both sides by the coefficient of a, which is 2, over 2, so that 2 will cancel 2. What will be left will be a will be equals to 3 over 2. And to verify the value of a, from our original equation, 4 to the power of a times 4 to the power of a is equals to 64. So that 4 to the power of 3 over 2 times 4 to the power of 3 over 2, can this be equals to 64? And we can write 4 as 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 over 2 times 2 to the power of 2 also to the power of 3 over 2. Can this be equals to 64? And if we do this very well, 2 will cancel out 2. What is left is 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 3. Can we arrive at 64 from here? But 2 to the power of 3 is 8 times 8. Can this be equals to 64? And 8 times 8 is 64. Is equals to 64. So it's true that the value of a as 3 over 2 is correct. Thank you for staying tuned. Please don't forget to hit on the subscription button before you go. See you in our next video. Bye bye.